Samsung's recent foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, demonstrate significant advancements: lighter, slimmer designs with larger displays, upgraded cameras, and faster processing power than their predecessors. New leaks suggest that next year's Galaxy Z Fold 8 could address one long-standing criticism of foldable design. Ming-Chi Kuo, an industry analyst, predicts that the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will feature a laser-drilled metal display plate. He shared his insight on X: redistribute mechanical stress during flexing, neutralizing the deformation that results in creasing. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 could become the first Samsung foldable with an interior surface that remains fully planar throughout its range of motion. Galaxy Z Fold 8 could prove to be a game changer. The cover panel to 6.5 inches, an 8-inch foldable dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X panel. Galaxy Z Fold 8 come with Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 with 16GB RAM, expected to ship with Android 17 and One UI 9. Rear triple camera array likely retains the 200MP main sensor, paired with ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. The Z Fold 8 have at least a 5000 mAh battery. Likely includes S Pen support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.